Pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. Could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I'm not in Helsinki. And the train I was supposed to take just passed. And I have to wait for a few minutes. And you can see I'm so brave. I'm so brave. I'm walking while I'm talking. I don't. It's this I think is the most formal evidence that I have reached a certain level of confidence, because now I can speak even though people are like around. Like it doesn't really matter anymore if there are eyes on me, that what they think that I'm doing is bizarre. So it doesn't really matter anymore. And I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to be. I have to ask. So that's just a bit of an update about me. Like having some next level confidence and not being in Finland. Just a human update, not AI. I'm not yet AI.